There's really nothing like the deep, rich flavor of caramelized onions, and I'm going to show you exactly how I make them. They're not hard to make, they just take a little bit of time and patience, but the payoff is so worth it. Now, I like to use sweet onions, but you can caramelize any type of onion that you want. You just need to slice them nice and thin. I saute them in melted butter, and now here's my trick. Add some water to the pan and then cover it and let them boil. You really want to let these cook down in this step for like a good 10 minutes. Then give them a stir and repeat that again until they're really soft and kind of starting to turn brown around the edges. I love to add some fresh thyme for like an earthy, savory flavor, but that's optional. And now the technique here is to allow the bottom of the pan to brown or form what's known as a fond. Then deglaze it with a liquid and scrape all of that up. You can use water, white wine, chicken stock, choose your own adventure. You're going to repeat this over and over again until the onions are as deeply golden and caramelized as you want them to be. Then use them however you like. Make a big batch, freeze them, and then thank me later.